Then turn right. Then turn right. Then turn right.
Shut the frick up. So here's the sitch, right? I'm hungry. I'm chicken. What the f? I'm hungry. I want chicken. So we're going to Walmart. They have this chicken, right? Love this chicken. So good. So freaking good. But the problem is, it sells out really fast. So now I gotta get there just in case. You know what I'm saying? Just in case they have it. Oh, gosh. Ah, man. Good girl. I'd let him in, but I can already tell just looking at him. Look at him. He's gonna go snail's pace. He's gonna be tiptoeing. Nah, bro. I got places to be, chicken to eat. Oh, I swear to you, I'll be there for you. This is not a drive-by. I'm gonna be stuck behind more plebeians. I can already tell, bro. Let's see. A Corolla? Yo, Corolla, please don't go straight. He's gonna go straight. Let's hear this baby roar. Not stuck behind the Corolla, suck me off. I've seen BRZs move faster than that guy. Yo, it is ultra moist outside today. Look at this guy on his brakes for no reason. Sir, just hand in your license, hand in your keys, bring your plates to the DMV. You are not cut out for the rain. And is that me? My man is in a Subaru driving scared, bro. Get off the road. Oh, that shift was slow as freak. Don't worry, I have driver mod still, I swear. Watch, I'll prove it right now. There we go, see? Ooh. Clowns, bro. Doing the speed limit and whatnot, bro. Square to Bob, bro. Piss me off, bro. Piss me off. Don't do it cheap. I'll pit maneuver you. I should start a class on how to shift fast. Cause some of y'all, the way you shift, man, it triggers me. Cars you guys should have no problem beating, you're getting beat by, or it's a tie. Like, come on, man. They call me a dual Chris transmission, bro. Frick a dual clutch. I got that DKT, frickus you meanest, bro. No short shifter, by the way. How I know a lot of y'all don't have driver mod, I raced a full bolt-on E85 WS6 the other night. And bro, he beat me by like half a car, bro. E85 WS6. There is no reason I should be keeping up with that. And yes, it was stick. My car still has 2 cats. It's not tuned. And this man barely beat me. If I was tuned and had a freaking pre-cat deletes, this man would have... Bro, forget about it. And I'm on the wrong ECU, so I'm ultra down on power right now. Yo. I just spun, how many gears did I spin right there? 3? Should we do it again? Frick it. We getting rowdy today. Woo! Do the downshift right fast, right quick. One more. Oh, frick, bro. My nipples, bro. One more. I promise. Oh. Yes, get out me way. Get out me way. Thank you. Woo. Is that a Sam's Club? They got a Sam's Club by here? The frick? Dang, your boy been missing out. Frick it, we waking up the hotel.